Right guys, just a quick edge shed update video on Paintwork. Now, I'm not a painter decorator. Never have been. Years ago I used to paint cars. Never enjoyed it. Hated them. Well, my boy who doesn't like to be shown on videos, he's actually quite good at the bodywork. He's actually really good at bodywork. Considering how everyone said how bad this car was, he's got it looking pretty bloody straight. And he's only spent about 3 days, 3 nights. Yeah. He's actually got a job, he works, and he's got it looking pretty good. So we're going to say that tomorrow, which is Sunday, we're going to try and get it into paint. Now, we're going to paint tug it off. And he's saying he's saying to me that he doesn't want to paint it. He's a bit worried about painting it, so he's saying, will I paint it? So I'm saying, well, I'll paint the bloody thing. I haven't painted a car for 30 bloody years, but I mean, hey, I think I could do it. If we can mix the paint fast enough, I'll put it on. So, I got a rough idea how to do it. We're not going to go with any thinners. We're going to go straight with 2-back paint, and we're going to go straight with a hardener. And we're going to go with 2 coats. We're going to go with a coat around the edges and a mist coat of the rest of it. Leave it 20 minutes. And I'm going to come back. I'm going to give it the thickest bloody coat you've ever seen. Hopefully it will stick to the paint that's already on there. And that's it. Because this needs to get done. Because if we don't get this done soon, then we're going to miss our deadline. Now, I'm going to rivet these things on as quick as I can today. If I can find some rivets, which is why I've got my head torch on. And I'm also going to sort of try and get some other bits and pieces done. Now, we've actually painted inside the bonnet today. So I didn't video that, but the bonnet's been painted inside. Now, that might be crap. I don't know. We'll see. Anyway. But we've got to paint the headlight scoops, the filler flap, and the tailgate separately off the car. So that's good done. We've also been experimenting with this here to get the cobwebs and the spider webs from up there, which I've done. But I still think I need to do something about stopping the crap falling on the car. So I'm going to get some DPC sheet and put it on with some safety pins just to try and stop it. So that's it. So I know I'm going to say, well, hey, like, if we can find someone else to paint it, we probably would have done, but we haven't. So I'd like to have done it next door because next door is actually less dusty than this one. But we haven't got next door, we haven't got the option. So we're going to paint it here. Or I'm going to paint it or he's going to paint it. One of us will paint it. You will either see it or you won't. But if you do, if I paint it, it'll be full of runs. If he paints it, it'll probably be a better job because he's better paint than me. But he thinks that he wants me to do it. So I don't know. I'll do it if I have to. But I'm telling you, that's the same car that you lot saw on its side with its homemade floor pans, with its homemade back boot floor, homemade back quarters, back radius arm cups, but homemade, like box section of sills, crap bonnet, 50-year-old frame, 50-year-old warranty, same car. And if I paint it, I'll have a crap paint job. It's going to fit right in, isn't it? So, hey, guess what, guys? I hope you enjoyed that. If you didn't enjoy it, then don't look. If you did enjoy it, then keep looking. And I wish somebody would comment. Just go, say, I know some of my supporters are commenting, and I'm glad they are, because I just love the fact that you guys are actually following this and want to see it done. And I'm glad you are. And I think that you must have picked up that the amount of people that have given us crap over this car and the amount of idiots that have made stupid comments is why I'm probably quite bitter and twisted sometimes. And I might come across as bitter and twisted. I'm not bitter and twisted because they got their kit cars and I've got an E Type. But I don't mean to get like when I say these things, it's because I don't condemn their cars. I just left them alone. They made the point of making sure that they actually made such a fuss about my car. It was crap, it was rough, it was dog rough, it was all the comments were made. And I think, you know what? There's some sad bastards out there. And they're more sadder that want to spend all that money on building a kit car that sends them on a Q plate with a crap registration number. What, Q? Yeah, good luck, guys. Because mine, as you know, has got a very lovely registration number. And if you check the DVLA website, you will see that it's currently taxed. So I think what we're going to say is like, I might sound sometimes really quite angry, and I probably do come across that way. But I'm not angry. What I am is frustrated that if you're an enthusiast and you love these cars, then you're not about trying to show off to people. It's not about showing off the car, how great it is, how fantastic it is, how much money you spend. It's actually having the car and enjoying it, and you spend as little as possible, because I'm not a multi-millionaire. And if I was, I would have put this into what? Some professional restorers had it done? Or would I be living in like Venezuela or Bolivia or Colombia and having a bloody good time? I don't know. I would say one thing is, I'm glad I've done it. And I'm glad it's looking like it does. Because from what it looked like before, for all you lot people who followed this, I think it looks bloody brilliant. And I think that if we can get it looking better with a coat of paint on it, if we can do that sometime this weekend, either like tomorrow or maybe, I'd like to get it painted tomorrow because I'd like to fit it out next week. I want it fitted together. And I think, like I say, there's no reason why it can't be. And yeah, some of the gaps are not very turned a little bit tight, it's a little bit big. But you know what? Yeah, do I care? Nope, I'm happy with it. And as I said before, I've now got a 3-wheeler Sinclair C5. So follow me back, talk to me on Instagram, whatever you want. And just remember, it could be worse. It could be sitting in a scrapyard, not getting done. But it will be. So, as I said, guys, I hope you enjoyed that. I did. And I'm looking forward to getting in a coat of white paint, because I can start putting it together then. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.